In Salesforce, an object is a collection of data that is used to store and manage information. The opportunity is a specific type of object that is used to track and manage potential sales deals. So, what information is stored in the opportunity object? Some common data points that are tracked include the name of the opportunity, the stage of the deal, the expected close date, and the estimated revenue. Additional fields can be added and customized to meet the specific demands of a business. The opportunity object is a key part of the Salesforce platform and is used by sales teams to track the status of their deals and make informed decisions about their sales pipeline. It allows sales reps to easily see which deals are in progress and what actions should be taken next. In addition to tracking opportunities, the opportunity object can also be used to store information about the customers and partners involved in the deal. This helps sales teams get a more complete picture of their sales process and better understand their customers' needs. Overall, the opportunity object is a powerful tool for sales teams looking to improve their efficiency and effectiveness. By tracking and managing their deals in Salesforce, businesses can get a better understanding of their sales pipeline and make informed decisions about their sales strategy. If you want to understand more about customer information, check out our video on the account object. We hope this has helped you understand the role of the opportunity object in Salesforce. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with the latest videos.